can't do this when you got a bed.
Mind you, I think in that cat and butcher bird and kookaburra fight, the kookaburra would come off best.
Oh.
Sharp beak.
Oh, it's funny. It's a pity the curlew hasn't come down for a feed.
Oh, you were hungry too.
You toss a bit of food to the curlew and she'll run for it, but the kookaburras will beat her and she'll attack the kookaburras, and the kookaburras aren't a bit scared. Oh, that was a butcher bird. Yeah.
A bit tired, did it?
I don't know, could have been, but no, I think it was just a grey attacking the...
Yeah?
Yeah, clacking. See, the butcher birds are meat eaters, but the kookaburras are bigger meat eaters, so they're more likely to eat the butcher birds' chicks as well.
You probably won't take it.
I'm not stupid.
Step more inside a bit, Hannah. That's better.
Yeah, you'll get it, you'll think about it. The pigs.
You pig? That's a beautiful view, Finder.
You're a pig.
Pigs with wings.
Too slow.
Yeah.
You realise I'm forgiven if anything doesn't turn out right tonight, because this would be the first roast dinner I would have cooked in years.
We'll have to come more often.
Yes, I love roast dinners.
Yeah, I want to fed properly if you do.
Well, how did you get the size to be with your barbecues?
Eating long stuff, yeah.
What sort of beef did you say that was, Brian?
It wasn't made yet.
No, was it round, topside, what?
Oh. No, you said beef topside, it's...
Yeah.